DSPy employs a modular, language model-centric architecture where declarative signatures define input-output contracts for composable processing units. This design enables flexible integration of specialized modules like RLM that extend core functionality through controlled code execution environments. We are about to examine how DSPy initializes a recursive language model module and configures its language model backend, demonstrating the framework's approach to handling large-scale context processing through programmatic exploration. The setup will reveal how signature-based module creation establishes the processing contract, while LM configuration prepares the foundational language understanding capability.
Import DSPy. DSPy, configure RLM equals DSPy, LM OpenAI/GPT-5. Hash create an RLM module. RLM equals DSPy, RLM context, query answer. Hash call it like any other module. Result equals RLM. Context equals very long document or data. Query equals what is the total revenue mentioned. Print result, answer.
This code demonstrates the foundational setup for using DSPy's recursive language model RLM module, which addresses the challenge of processing large contexts that exceed typical LLM token limits. The pattern shown is straightforward but powerful, configuring a language model and creating an RLM instance with a simple signature. The RLM module operates by treating large contexts as external data that the LLM can programmatically explore through a sandboxed Python REPL, rather than stuffing everything into the prompt. This approach separates the variable space data storage from the token space what the LLM processes, allowing the model to dynamically load only what it needs. The configuration uses DSPy, LM OpenAI/GPT-5, to specify the language model, while the RLM signature, context, query answer, defines the input-output structure. This pattern is particularly valuable when dealing with documents or datasets that are too large for standard context windows, or when tasks require programmatic exploration like searching, filtering, or aggregating information. The trade-off is that RLM introduces additional complexity through the REPL interaction loop, but this is justified by the ability to handle contexts orders of magnitude larger than what would fit in a prompt. The example shows a basic query about revenue extraction, but the same approach could scale to documents with hundreds of thousands of tokens. Let's break it down.
Import DSPy.
Imports the DSPy framework, providing access to its language model programming capabilities and modules like RLM for handling large contexts.
DSPy, configure RLM equals DSPy, LM OpenAI/GPT-5.
Configures DSPy to use OpenAI's GPT-5 model as the default language model for subsequent operations. The DSPy configure function sets the global LM parameter, and DSPy, LM OpenAI/GPT-5, specifies the GPT-5 model from OpenAI as the language model to be used.
Hash create an RLM module. RLM equals DSPy, RLM context, query answer.
Creates an RLM recursive language model module instance named RLM that takes a context and query as input and produces an answer as output. The signature, context, query answer, defines the expected input-output structure for this specific RLM module.
Result equals RLM.
Calls the RLM function and assigns its return value to the variable result. The function is invoked without arguments, suggesting it operates on preconfigured or default parameters.
Context equals very long document or data.
Assigns a string variable named context containing a placeholder for a long document or data. The ellipsis indicates this is a truncated representation of what would typically be a substantial text input, likely intended for processing by DSPy's language model components.
Query equals, what is the total revenue mentioned?
Assigns a string literal, what is the total revenue mentioned, to a variable named query. This creates a simple string variable that appears to be intended as a natural language question for later processing, though the specific usage isn't visible in this single line.
Print result, answer.
Prints the value of the answer attribute from the result, object to the console. DSPy's RLM module elegantly solves the large context challenge by decoupling data storage from token processing. The pattern starts with configuring GPT-5 as the foundational language model, then instantiating an RLM with a simple signature that defines the processing contract. When invoked, the RLM treats the massive context as external data that the LLM explores programmatically through a sandboxed REPL, rather than cramming everything into the prompt. This separation of variable space from token space enables handling contexts orders of magnitude larger than standard windows, though it introduces complexity through the REPL interaction loop. The example demonstrates this with a straightforward revenue extraction query, but the same approach scales to documents with hundreds of thousands of tokens by letting the model dynamically load only what it needs.
The RLM writes code to read what it never sees, answering questions from a sandbox it never leaves.